Good day, everybody, and welcome back to the podcast. I'm Drew, your host at Internet Affiliate Secrets, where you're given all the information you'll need to be successful with affiliate marketing online. If you are serious about learning how to make money online through affiliate marketing, then today's episode is going to be a game changer for you. Because let me tell you something really simple. You can have the best product in the world. You can have the best website. You can have the perfect offer. You can have passion, motivation, and all the dreams in the world. But if nobody sees it, you have nothing. That is the truth many people do not want to hear. In affiliate marketing, traffic is the lifeblood of your business. Traffic means people. Traffic means eyeballs. Traffic means clicks. Traffic means opportunities. And opportunities can become commissions. So today I want to break down 7 powerful ways to drive laser targeted traffic to your affiliate offers, your content, and your business. And if you want to learn how to do this the right way with real mentorship, real community, and free live training, I highly recommend you join my team by going to olsplive.com. That is olsplive.com, featuring Wayne Crow, my mentor in affiliate marketing, who teaches people how to build online income the smart way, the ethical way, and the sustainable way. Now let's get into it. 1. Search engine traffic. Let Google work for you. One of the best forms of traffic online is search engine traffic. Why? Because people are already searching for solutions. They are typing things like, how do I make money online? Best affiliate programs for beginners. How to start side income from home. Ways to earn online in 2026. These people already have intent. That means they are warm prospects. If your content shows up in search engines, you can attract free traffic every single day. This is why keywords matter. This is why blogs matter. This is why YouTube titles matter. This is why solving problems matters. Instead of chasing people, let people find you. That is smart marketing. Inside the training at olsplive.com, they show strategies to help beginners understand how traffic works and how to position themselves online. 2. Build relationships through partnerships. Success online is not always about doing everything alone. Sometimes your next breakthrough comes through partnership. That means connecting with other marketers, content creators, bloggers, or business owners in related spaces. You share value. They share value. Maybe you promote each other's content. Maybe you exchange guest appearances. Maybe you recommend each other. That is called leverage. Too many beginners stay isolated. But when you connect with the right people, growth happens faster. One relationship can open doors that years of struggle never could. That is why community matters, and one reason I appreciate the environment at olsplive.com is because it brings people together who are trying to win online. 3. Use content marketing to build trust. Let me say this loud and clear. People buy from people they trust. That means random links with no value usually do not work long term, but content does. Create content that teaches. Create content that inspires. Create content that solves problems. Write articles. Post on social media. Make short videos. Start a podcast. Share lessons you are learning. Every piece of helpful content becomes a digital employee working for you 24 hours a day. When people learn from you, they begin to trust you. When they trust you, they listen. When they listen, they click. When they click, conversions can happen. That is why content creators dominate affiliate marketing. 4. Joint ventures. Multiply your reach fast. A joint venture is simply when two people or two brands work together for mutual benefit. This could be a live stream together, a webinar together, a product launch together, email swaps, social media shoutouts. Instead of reaching only your audience, you now reach their audience too. That can create explosive growth. This is one of the fastest ways to expand visibility. Never underestimate collaboration. One strategic collaboration can bring more results than months of solo effort. Smart affiliate marketers understand this. They do not just work hard, they work smart. 5. Build a team through affiliate programs. Now, this one is powerful. When you join the right affiliate program, you are not just promoting products. You are plugging into a system. And when you invite others into that opportunity, they can grow too. This creates duplication. That is why I recommend checking out olsplive.com, because it is more than just a link. It is a learning and earning environment. You get access to live training. You get access to strategies. You get access to a supportive community. You get access to Wayne Crow's leadership and mentorship. And for many beginners, having guidance can shorten the learning curve dramatically. You do not need to reinvent the wheel. You just need the right vehicle. 6. Build your email list. Own your audience. Social media followers are nice. Views are nice. Likes are nice. But an email list is an asset. Why? Because algorithms change. Platforms change. Accounts get suspended. Reach drops overnight. But when you build an email list, you can stay connected directly to your audience. You can follow up. You can build trust. You can recommend helpful tools. You can share opportunities. This is why experienced marketers always say the money is in the list. Start collecting leads early, even if it is small. 10 subscribers can become 50. 50 can become 500. 500 can become 5,000. Start now. 7. Know your audience deeply. This may be the most important lesson of all. Know who you are talking to. Are they beginners? Are they struggling parents? Are they side hustlers? Are they retirees? Are they young entrepreneurs? When you understand your audience, your message becomes stronger. You stop sounding generic. You start speaking directly to pain points. You start offering solutions that matter. You start attracting the right people. That is called laser targeted traffic. Not everybody, the right people. Because 100 targeted visitors are better than 10,000 random visitors. Let me repeat that. 100 targeted visitors are better than 10,000 random visitors. Final truth about traffic. Traffic is not magic. Traffic is strategy. Traffic is consistency. Traffic is visibility. Traffic is trust built over time. Many people quit too early because they expect instant results. But winners understand momentum. One post can lead to one lead. One lead can become one sale. One sale can build confidence. Confidence creates consistency. Consistency creates growth. That is how real businesses are built. My recommendation to you: if you are tired of trying to figure affiliate marketing out alone, if you want mentorship, if you want free live training, if you want to learn proven best practices, if you want to build with a real team, then I strongly encourage you to check out olsplive.com today. That is olsplive.com, featuring Wayne Crow, a mentor who has helped many people understand affiliate marketing the right way. No hype, no confusion, no guessing, just learning, growing, and building income skills for the future. Thank you for tuning in today. If this message helped you, share this podcast with someone who wants to make money online. Subscribe for more training, motivation, and affiliate marketing game. And remember this: you do not need to be perfect to start, but you do need traffic. You do need action. You do need consistency, and you do need the right environment. Go visit olsplive.com and take your first serious step today. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, keep hustling.